So what does it look like to be in the Credit Ladies Hall of Fame? Well, take a look. When you are looking to gain access to credit excellence, be sure to go to creditlady.info. When you access our main site, be sure to scroll down so that you can see our proof of services. We are not a company that just talks about it. We are a company that is about producing results. What you're seeing are people who have successfully graduated from our program. This is their credit profiles. This is a full gallery over the years, and you can definitely see more proof of services when you visit creditlady.info and access the main site so you can learn more about our proof of services. So if you're ready to turn your credit into leverage, then definitely go to creditlady.info.